Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the type of currency in the Booking.com application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here in this page you should scroll down a little bit, and in the settings and legal section you should just press on the settings option and select here the second option, which is currency, and you can just select here the currency that you want, for example a Romanian one, and you can see that the currency was instantly changed just like that. So pretty much this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.